Good morning. I am Nitin Mane, working as Assistant Professor in Instrumentation and Control Department of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. My subject is Building Automation, and today I shall talk on impact of HVAC on environment. HVAC is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So air conditioning is a very important part of HVAC. Air conditioners can negatively affect the environment in two major ways. First, it uses a refrigerant that harms the ozone layer. And the second factor is it uses electricity which is often produced in environmentally harmful ways such as burning fossil fuels. So, if you want to enjoy the comfort of air conditioning while doing as little harm to environment as possible, refrigerant type and energy efficiency are the two factors you need to consider. So one by one we'll see these two factors. So first is refrigerant type. Prior to 2010, most air conditioning systems uses refrigerant R22, which is also called as Freon. Freon is hydrochlorofluorocarbon. Hydrochlorofluorocarbon have been identified as the chemicals most responsible for damaging the ozone layer that protects us from dangerous ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Because of this damage, government banned the installation of new units using R22. Today, new air conditioning units uses R410A, which is a different type of chemical that is safe for ozone layer. Due to this change, new air conditioning systems today are significantly safer for environment than those built before 2010. The other major factor to consider when evaluating the environmental impact of an air conditioning system is how much energy it will use. Every air conditioning system has seasonal energy efficiency ratio, that is SEER. This compares the amount of energy needed to produce a certain amount of cooling. Due to improvement in design and technology, the new air conditioning systems produced today are significantly safer for the environment. Even replacing an air conditioner that is only 10 years old with a more efficient model will generally decrease energy use by 20 to 40%. So, due to changes in refrigerant and improvement in energy efficiency, new systems are better than old systems. So we can conclude that replacing old systems with new one can have a positive impact on the environment. Thank you.